Rich, everything signing out, man. Let me get back to work.
Here we go!
Yo, so we got the office a mess in here. Toot in here doing some wire work. You see, he got the meter. Toot, what you got going on? Hit your knob for him, Toot. Show him what you got going on, what you done wire up so quick. I'm doing the wiring part. Toot doing everything else. So he got a unit in today. Oh, what you just turn on?
AC.
Turn the AC back on? Okay. So you doing it like that? Nah. Y'all see it, I just kept the power on, Toot. Nah. Toot, I want you to do me a favor. Let me slide over here. I want to see if your door's working. So, hit your buttons over there. And let me see if your door's actually working like you say they're working. Okay, I see them moving right here. Hit them again, let me see your door's working. Oh, defog. Yeah. Okay. So you doing it like that? Your hazards and everything work? Okay. Dog. My dog getting to it, cuz. Each one teach one. Let's do it then. Alright. Y'all better watch out. We might have another cab man, electronic engineering on the way. Y'all. Hey, we running a test in the dark, man. Oh, let me see your hazards again. Okay, they working. For your head, them for your headlights. Alright, so I'm gonna hit your headlight switch off, alright? Headlight switch off. Headlights off. Hit your headlight switch on. Headlights back on. One more test. We're gonna turn the car all the way off. I wanna see if your daytime running lights or your lights gonna stay on and then shut off by themselves. Key out. Green light on. Should cut off. See how much success we got. Oh, and they cut off. Yes, sir. Okay. So.